Hey everyone, welcome back to the house. And today we're going to take a look at this 30-inch round ottoman. Now my wife created this reading room, and nothing makes a reading room perfect until you can put your feet up, and this ottoman helps to do that. This comes in 3 different colors: black, gray, and brown. Clearly we got the black. It also comes in 2 different designs. This is the round, but there's also a rectangular one. Now this is not just an ottoman. Check this out. You can take the top off this, flip this over, and you have yourself a little table. So if you want to bring out drinks or something like that, you can absolutely do it. And talk about weight capacity, this has a 600-pound weight capacity, so I can sit on this, no problem. It's a really easy build. In fact, it comes in the 2 circles, and then all you have to do is attach 4 bars and put the 4 feet on there. Make sure you tighten it down so it doesn't act all wobbly when you get it all put together. The feet are also adjustable, which allows you to make sure that it gets nice and level on your floor. And at the end of the day, it has a really nice look to it, especially with the stitching that goes all the way around the side. Gives it a nice, clean, and finished look. What you're really curious about is, would I recommend this or would I buy it again? Yeah, I would absolutely buy this again. This works perfectly for this little area right here. We didn't need something too big. We didn't need something too ostentatious. This is clean, simple lines that matches the style of the home. The leather looks really nice. It has a great finish to it. And being the fact that you can get this in black, brown, or gray, you're bound to find one that fits your need. And don't forget the bonus of the table on the bottom so that it actually has 2 purposes for you. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.